my channel. So today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Miss Glam Christmas holiday set. This is what it looks like. I don't even know if I'll be able to get it in the frame, but it looks like this. I actually received this for Christmas and I haven't actually tried any of the Miss Glam stuff, so I'm actually pretty excited to delve into this and see what we have got. I actually received this for my Christmas from my sister-in-law. I don't know like exact prices and stuff, but I think it's around about £30 or £40 roughly. I'll try and link the website in the description for you guys. But this is an absolute beautiful Christmas set. I'll actually... Uh-oh, I've just dropped the majority of that. So you get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products, which is actually really pretty decent. I've never tried this brand. I absolutely love the packaging. I think it's absolutely stunning. Peachy pink and the gold. It's just absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to delve into some things here and just show you guys everything that you get in this little set. First thing that I see is the Miss Glam Makeup and Tannin Beauty Bowl. So this must be like one of the things that you put on your head before you do your makeup and stuff. Oh, it is. Oh, it's cute. I could have really used that today actually. I think I'm going to start using these because it will hold all my hair back. That's really good. Petite Peachy Elixir Strobe Cream. Enriched with vitamin E, rosehip oil and camellia oil. This is also like in a little like sort of collaboration with Be Perfect, I think. Or I don't know if it is a collaboration with them or if it's their own sort of brand. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, it's a little sort of strobe cream. So that's what that looks like. Let's see what it's like. Smells quite perfumey. Feels really nice. Just gives like a little sheen. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but it's just a little sort of sheen. It's lovely. Next we've got the lip gloss, the Mrs. Kisses lip gloss. This one is in the shade Golden Glorious. Luxury, creamy and highly pigmented formula designed to melt onto the lips effortlessly. Oh, that packaging is stunning with the glitter lids. I love that. See that? Stunning. Beautiful sort of gold shade here. Oh, smells like vanilla cupcakes or something. Oh, that takes me back. Childhood sweets. Oh my god. That smells amazing. Oh wow, I could just eat that. I've just like ruined my little applicator, but wow. So I'll definitely be using that. Got the Blow Me Away mascara. Oh wow, the packaging is stunning from this brand, honestly. Let me try and show you guys. So it looks like this. And it kind of comes down, it's kind of thinner. I was going to say I'm not going to open it, but extra black. Unfortunately, it's not the mascara one that I like, but that doesn't affect it. I like a nice thin mascara wand now, just so that it really coats all the lashes. But haven't tried it, don't know what it's like, so I can't comment. But so far the packaging is lovely. Right, so this is their Mrs. Kisses lipstick in the shade Sassy Toff. Love the names. Oh my god, she has got the most adorable packaging. Packaging is just stunning. The gold fade glitter, that is absolutely beautiful. Oh, shade stunning. Again, this is quite scented actually. It smells quite perfumey. It's got little kisses on the bullet there. So it does. Stunning. Super creamy, just melts onto the skin. That actually reminds me of Velvet Teddy by MAC, if I'm going to be quite honest. Stunning. Loving the packaging. I'm actually really digging this girl's stuff. I haven't even used it yet, but so far so good. I'm an absolute sucker for packaging, so if your packaging's nice, I'm probably going to love your product as well. I've got here is the Sunset Glow Bronzer, which looks like this. Absolutely stunning packaging again. Cruelty free as well. Create the most beautiful version of you with the Mrs. Glam Sunset Glow Bronzer Collection. The perfect universal sculpting powder for face and body. Here's hope it's my new bronzer, my new go-to. And Sunkissed, a shimmering satin bronzer with warm bronze tones. So this one is Sunkissed. I wonder if it's like a jewel or something. I think I'm actually obsessed with the packaging of this brand. Oh, stunning. Just good size as well. So it's a Sunset Glow Bronzer. Oh, wow. beautiful mirror as well, actually. Super, super pigmented. Got the lip liner, the Mrs. Kiss's lip liner in the shade Toffee Kiss. So I'm presuming this goes along with the lipstick. Oh my god. And anything glittery, sparkly, girly, fun, cute, I'm all over it, honestly. But this is just stunning. Super, super creamy as well, actually. Yeah, that's definitely going to match that lipstick, which is amazing. Look at that packaging. I want a bit of everything it has so that my whole collection like sparkles and looks cute like that. I have the Flawless Beauty Blender. Ooh, feels super soft to be fair. It says Mrs. Glam on it. Lovely, loving that. Can never have too many beauty blenders. And last but not least, their lashes. These are their lashes and Mrs. Fancy. Mrs. Fancy is a stunning faux mink lash designed with soft clusters and I can't say this, elongated wing effect to give the most fanciest flutters. They're comfortable, lightweight and easy to apply with their ultra thin band and they're cruelty free. With a little love they can be reused up to 10 times. I actually really like this packaging. There's the name on the bottom there and on the top. That is the lash there. So they look stunning. So that is everything that you get in this gift set. I am super impressed with that. I'm definitely going to be experimenting and using all this in incoming makeup looks. I just love how everything's like so glittery and fun. If you guys want to see like a full review on anything, just let me know. I will be creating more makeup looks and stuff, so I'll probably be using a lot of the stuff there. But that is all for this little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have tried anything else from this brand, please let me know. I'm totally new to it all, and so far I'm absolutely loving everything that I'm seeing. And I shall see you guys in my next video.